If you've been trying to change your Epic Games profile picture and can't find the option, you're not alone. In this video, I'll show you exactly what's going on in 2026, why Epic Games does not currently let you upload a custom profile picture, and what your options are instead. This is a quick but important guide for anyone who wants to personalize their Epic account, whether you use it for Fortnite, the Epic Games launcher, or just general account setup. If this video helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Epic Games and sign into your account if you aren't already logged in. Once you're inside your account settings, you may be looking for a profile picture, avatar, or upload button. But here's the key thing to know. As of April 2026, Epic Games does not support directly changing your profile picture to a custom image. That means you cannot upload your own photo, logo, or avatar the way you might on other platforms. Instead, Epic Games uses a default letter icon based on your username. So if you were expecting a traditional profile photo menu, you won't find one, because that feature simply isn't available right now. If your goal is to change how your account appears, the main thing Epic Games does allow is updating account details like your display name and other profile information where available. But for the actual profile picture, there is no built-in option to replace the default icon with a custom image. That's an important distinction, because a lot of people waste time clicking through menus looking for an upload button that does not exist. So if you've been wondering why nothing is showing up, now you know the reason. The platform currently defaults to a simple letter-based icon connected to your username, and that's the image other people will see on your account. If Epic Games adds custom profile pictures in the future, the setting would likely appear in your account profile or personalization area. But at the moment, the answer is straightforward. You cannot directly change your Epic Games profile picture to a custom image. The best thing you can do is make sure your Epic account details are up to date, keep your display name clean and recognizable, and stay aware of platform updates in case Epic rolls out new personalization features later. If this video saved you some time, please hit the like button so it helps more people find this answer, and subscribe for more short, useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.